Turn now to the Idaho student murders case and potential new evidence against the suspect, his homework. Kana Whitworth joins us with the details. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, Rebecca, good morning to you. So that new evidence is helping prosecutors hone in on the former PhD student's classwork, specifically his crime scene scenario final. But Bryan Kohberger's lawyers say that early in his education, he was treated as a child with special needs. But now, with just a few months until trial, it's all under the microscope.
This morning, prosecutors in the Idaho college murders case saying Bryan Kohberger's homework could play a crucial role in the trial. In a new filing, prosecutors say the alleged killer turned in what amounts to be a crime scene how-to guide as part of a homework assignment in 2020. Some of the details mirroring the Idaho college murder scene.
Prosecution is trying to make the argument that this information plays somewhat of a playbook for not leaving evidence behind a crime scene.
The 12-page crime scene scenario final from his time at DeSales University detailing how an investigating officer would process a scene where a deceased white female had been found, including the use of protective clothing to avoid contaminating the scene or leaving fingerprints. While Kohberger's lawyers say he is innocent and argue he has a developmental disability that prevents him from having the speed and coordination to carry out the murders, prosecutors point to purchases he made, including a balaclava, a type of ski mask that covers the head but not the eyes. They say he bought it in January of 2022. Prosecutors sharing this never-before-seen image drawn by the surviving roommate in the days after the murders, showing what they say appears to be that kind of mask. She told authorities the man behind the mask that she saw in the house that night had bushy eyebrows. And another purchase in the spotlight, a K-bar knife and sheath bought on the Amazon account Kohberger used, similar to the knife and sheath seen in this image from the Amazon website. But the defense arguing that anyone from the suspect's family could have made the purchase from that Amazon account.
Well, prosecutors also say they can provide testimony from witnesses with knowledge that Kohberger is the one who purchased the knife. The murder weapon has never been found, and prosecutors also say that Kohberger searched Amazon for a replacement knife after the murders. The next hearing in this case is on April 9th, guys.
And we know you'll be staying with it. Kana, thank you.